fireworks with me, Duck Lover, and we're gonna be doing it with Ultimate Camera too, and my dad.
Is there one big one?
The trash can.
Is there like
There's
one
more
gigantic
sparklers.
one? Oh, come on!
Guys, look, there's more sparklers. We can't get away from sparklers. Batman. Don't do that. You're wasting water, Scott.
It's bottled water.
You're still wasting it. You're like, it's like water. Okay. Ooh, I found a firefly. That's just gross. Let's see if we can hunt for fireflies. Where are they? I'm looking through the camera. And here comes my daddy. Let's get to it.
Alright. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy.
Hopefully not. No. Is this all? Should I throw the bag away?
Just leave it right here for now.
My shoe is stuck. Scotty, I'm gonna put your water bottle on top. Don't use that.
Don't worry, I won't.
You don't know how to use it anyway. Did you put this there?
Alright, watch it.
Yes, you did. Okay, guys, and here comes the fireworks.
Yeah!
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah! Fireworks! Smoke! Remember this? Smoke vision! Smoke vision. Oh.
Alright, don't touch it. It's still hot.
Hashtag smoke.
I forget what we called it.
Hashtag smoke.
Okay. Ooh, just saw a flyer fly over there. You can't do that. They light off quick.
He'll have a few seconds.
Yeah, enough to get away.
We can do maybe two.
At the same time? Wait, do this one. This disco flag.
I think these are
Snappers. It's like,
I don't know.
oh, these are like little packs.
Well, the wind's gonna blow them away.
No, you're not supposed to light them.
I know. You
I
throw
really-
it on the ground, and there's a wrapper, and there's wind.
Okay.
It's gonna blow away.
Who cares?
We don't want to litter. It's illegal. Little one.
Yep.
On my camera sees just two big flashes, like one, one, two.
One bang, one bing, one boom. One bing, one
Watch out.
I'm trying to control it.
What? Is that it?
I made it do that.
No, you didn't. I hate to rain on your parade.
Yeah, we'll do some more of these.
Wait, Colton.
What?
The water. It turned purple.
Let's see this purple water. Ooh, purple water. It looks like gray water on here, but trust me, guys, it's purple or blue. Let's see some more flashes, bro.
The flag.
The flash. camera view. Look at that.
Careful. Car coming.
Are we even allowed to do fireworks like this?
As long as they don't
Make noise?
go in the air.
I have the same bike as you.
Yeah, I always drive by and I see the bike.
Did you just move in?
Huh?
Did you just move in? I've never seen you before.
Yeah, I've never seen you before. Yeah, I live here now for the summer. For the summer? Yeah. Why you gonna move back? Every summer I come here. With who? Huh? With who? Nobody. I walk up here. I don't live far from here. So, oh wait, you act. So whenever the day's about to end, you go back home? No, I go back to my grandma's. I stay here with my grandma. So. Wait, what other fireworks do you guys have? We got snappers. Snappers. We got.
The snappers are the.
No, not the snappers. I'm talking about that big one right there.
It's called.
No, it's not. It's not one. I think
called
they
the
shoot up in
Desert
the.
Man.
If you put them like this, they shoot up in the air.
Oh, I want to try that.
But then the flame will go out. So
What are those?
fountains. Congratulations, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Me?
I do YouTube. Say
Doesn't last too long.
hi.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna light a bigger one.
Yeah, put it upside down so it goes up in the air.
No.
Aw,
I wonder if that'll work.
that's no fun.
Probably won't. I'll probably get in trouble if it goes up in the air.
Oh yeah, that's illegal.
Yeah, I could bet it would shoot up in.
After 4th of July, it's illegal.
In the back.
Really?
Watch out.
And
And it's illegal before. It's illegal even on 4th of July. Is it gonna catch? Ah!
It's not illegal after though. It's not illegal at 4th of July.
Well, only if you have a license. Whoa! Now there's a doggy!
We can't do this too much longer. It's gonna be too late.
No, it's not. Dad, we did this whenever it was pitch black once.
Yeah, man.
Jeez, that scared me.
Wait, can we
Bigger
get
one.
some snappers?
No, it's
Why
too
not?
windy.
Well, let's get these big ones out of the way. So
It's not too windy.
before it's
All
too
you
late.
have to do is throw 'em on the ground
Yeah, I
and
know.
they'll pop.
I know.
Okay.
Those, Colton, you just have to throw them on the ground. And then.
You're gonna get fined for littering, and it's gonna be my dad's fault because
Here.
of the wrappers
Watch
and the
out.
wind.
Watch out.
That won't happen.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will.
Dud?
No.
Back off. Back off. Back off.
Ooh.
Dud?
No, it burned the plastic, but not the actual fuse. There you go.
Ah, look at it.
Pop, 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 crack, crack. That scared me though. Wait, how was it?
What the heck? Watch, Scott. Watch. Back off.
If that thing blows up, you're hurt.
If that thing blows up, you're hurt, bro.
No, seriously.
It's like,
What
it's
are
like,
those?
It should have done more.
Sparklers. I'd stay away from it while it's still hot, because any second it.
how you doing? Oh, it's very dark on my camera. What's your name?
Oh, yeah. What is your name?
James.
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 James is gonna be on YouTube, everybody.
Wait,
Are you a boy?
what do you think? Yes.
How rude!
I don't know. The hair. The hair, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry doing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to like.
That's fine.
Sorry, guys, I'm just wearing headphones. Hi!
Cops are illegal.
They're illegal.
I'm calling the cops.
No!
Oh no, we're in trouble now.
So do you guys want to say bye?
Don't
Bye.
worry. Don't worry. He's kidding. He's my dad.
Guys, let's say bye.
Bye.
Bye! Peace.